Hi, I'm Lauren and I'm a Land Surveyor at BWB Consulting. My job as a surveyor means I'm always out and about measuring something. I visit sites all across the UK and I use specialist surveying equipment to measure everything on the site so we know exactly what's there and where it's located. We do this to find out if there are any constraints on site that might affect the design of the future building. We need to know where things like water bodies, buildings, trees and utilities are located. The information that I collect is used by engineers and architects so they can design the future buildings within the constraints of the site. I also carry out the monitoring of buildings and walls to see if they are gradually moving over time. As you can see, my role as a surveyor means I play a very important role in the development stages of a lot of our construction projects. When I was at school, I was very good at science and maths, but my main passion was geography. I just wanted to be outside all the time. I chose to become a surveyor because I'm a very precise person, and being able to work in engineering and be outdoors really appealed to me. I love the fact that no day in my job is ever the same. There is no such thing as an average day for a surveyor. I could be outside in the middle of a field measuring things, I could be up a scaffolding measuring cracks in a building, or I could be in a basement. I could be in the office writing reports. So there is no such thing as an average day. Every day is interesting, and that's why I love my job. I would advise girls to definitely study the science, the maths and the engineering disciplines. Don't let your gender specify you. You can be anything that you want to be, and engineering is definitely not just for boys.